Hello, my name is Rosanamod, and welcome to the rosanamod podcast. Want to modify your life? That is corny, but I'm going to keep it in there. This variety show brainstorms solutions for everyday challenges, unlocks your secret potential, think outside the box with creative ideas that improve your business and your life. Get inspired with special guests, get motivated with how-to projects for the whole family, and learn that life is too short for anything less than being happy. Laugh with me or at me, it doesn't matter. Somebody's going to laugh. Welcome to the rosanamod Variety Pod. This is your vessel and host, Rosanamod, aka Rosanamod. We are at episode 77, and today it's all about DIY, Thursday thrift, I call it, how to make your own perfumes. Now, I have been doing this for a couple of years, but that's not all I use, obviously. It all started when Erox, I think it's called Erox, the company that makes Inner Realm, stopped carrying my Inner Realm, which was the perfume that I use. That's the only one that I really loved, and I was getting so many compliments on, and for some reason people just kept coming around me. Ooh, you smell so good. Everybody's body chemistry will react differently to the scent that they wear. That's because our chemistry is different. Okay, so what smells good on you is not going to smell good on me, most likely, or it'll smell good, but we could use the same perfume and it'll smell totally different on you than on me. So I got frustrated. I contacted the company and I asked them for the ingredients. I know, I'm crazy. And I just figured, well, why not? If you're not making it anymore, give me the ingredients. Oh, we can't do that. Okay. So I kept looking online until I found some places that were like, oh, they have a hint of bergamot and sage and lavender and belvedere. So I started writing all the ingredients down from all of these different websites, and I came up with a list of about 11 ingredients. From those 11 ingredients, I went to the local store. There's like a little organic place around here, and I started smelling. They're about $1 a vial for a little oil, and they're so cheap. You can get them online for about $1 too. And but it's better that you go and you smell it. At least you know what it smells like, right? Well, I bought these 11 ingredients, and I kind of, as soon as I had them in front of me, I remember thinking, oh, how do I do this? So I started kind of reading up on perfumery and how they make perfume. And what they do is, there's different ingredients. There's end notes. End notes on a perfume means that it's the strongest lasting ingredient that kind of stays at the last part of your sniff, if that makes any sense. Like it'll smell like flowers, but then at the end it'll smell like lavender, for example, specifically. So the one that lasts the longest. So how do I make it last longer? I found out that they use ethanol. Ethanol is an alcohol. It evaporates on your skin. So when they mix it in with the perfume, it blends all of the ingredients together. So the ethanol is sort of like a glue, if, for lack of a better word, mixes them all together and then evaporates. Okay, so it does not stick there like oils do. Plus the oils get on your clothes and everything, right? So this is what I did. I went online and I bought some vials, empty vials. And I bought an eyedropper. Well, not an eyedropper, but just like a little dropper, okay? Then I got some index cards and I started experimenting. I got the ethanol. I mixed for an example, because I really don't really know exactly what my recipe is. Let's just say I put 3 drops of ethanol, 1 drop of belvedere, 2 drops of bergamot, 4 drops of sage or whatever. Well, I started experimenting with all these 11. You know how long it took me, right? Because you got 11 ingredients. You got 11 different smells. It took me a while. But what I did was I finally mixed it to a point where I got so close to Inner Realm. I got so close. I can't even tell you how good it smells. It smells almost exactly like Inner Realm. I actually made it. But here's the trick. The ethanol and the oil don't mix. So I kept shaking the vials, and then I looked online and realized that, they have to sit there for about a couple months. So when they make perfume, they don't just mix it together and sell it. It has to sit there. And I let it sit there for literally 2 months. And I went back and it kind of looked like it mixed, but there was still this really strong smell of ethanol. It was a very strong alcohol smell. And I realized I put too much, or I wasn't really crazy about it. And then I started thinking, what is the alcohol that doesn't have any smell at all? Do you know? There's an alcohol drink out there that doesn't smell. It's vodka. So I got the one, I bought vodka with the high content of alcohol. I used that instead of ethanol, and it worked even better. It mixed better. You couldn't smell the alcohol. You could just smell the ingredients mixed together. The alcohol itself blended the oils together, and it evaporated on my skin. So that's what I did. There you go. That's how you make it. So you could either try it with vodka first if you're not sure. Get your oils out there. Get your little droppers. Get your empty vials. Get your spray, the little vials with the spray, or find yourself an empty perfume bottle, which, by the way, a little DIY tip here for you. If you have an empty perfume bottle, like you don't have any more in there and you were going to get ready to throw it out, you don't have to. You can still reuse it. Do you know how? You get long nose pliers, the pliers that have like little grips on the little teeth, and you wrap it around the metal base that's attached to the glass part of the perfume. Press down or use a wrench, the ones that are like scissors, the ones that open and close. Twist it really hard. It's going to feel hard. You just twist it until it pops right out. It'll pop right out. That's what I did with my old Inner Realm bottle. I kept the Inner Realm bottle and I put my own Eau de Rose, or Inner Realm by Rose. Other things that you can do with your oils is you can mix it in with your smelts, your wax warmer. That's what I do. Wax warmers will not last forever. The smell goes away after about a week if you use it every day, but keep the wax and then just wait till it melts. Don't drip it right on there. Wait till it melts and then mix your oil in there. So if you have a really nice bergamot, I like bergamot. It's like if you don't know what that is, it's like a strong grapefruit citrus smell. And then there's sage. That's good too. There's lavender. There's vanilla that you could use. You could put that right into the smelt, the wax, and it'll last longer. You could change your smells up. You can use different things. You don't have to keep buying, those little cubes. Also, another tip is add it to your conditioner, your hair conditioner. Just a little bit, just a couple of drops of lavender or something if you want to smell like oranges, maybe. Add it to your hand lotion, suntan lotion. Why not? You don't have to smell like coconuts. I don't know why the suntan lotions all smell like coconut either, if you think about it. They don't have to. I mean, it's like, some people don't like Hawaii. I've never been to Hawaii, but I'm just saying, some people don't like Hawaii. Why do I have to smell like a coconut? So I can put like little orange or lemon smell in there and smell like a lemon head. And also, one quick thing that I found online. There's horoscope sites out there that say oils for zodiac sign. Look it up. I don't remember which site I found it on, but I was curious and I put Sagittarius, smells or scents for Sagittarius, something like that. About 6 of those ingredients were 6 of the 11 ingredients used to make the Inner Realm for me. I couldn't believe it. Yeah, bergamot was in there, sage. I couldn't believe it. I thought that was pretty accurate. So if you're curious about that, look for that too. Your smell based on your sign. You never know. It'll give you some ideas anyway. All right, so that's it. On this note, I will say adieu, and I hope you guys have a great day. I will talk to you guys tomorrow for Friday's food day. Have some awesome recipes there. If you are interested in being a podcaster like me, click below the show notes. You'll see a Buzzsprout link. And if you want to contact me, I am on Instagram at rosanamod. Follow me there. You can also visit me or follow me on Pinterest. Same name. That's all I have. So I will talk to you guys tomorrow for Friday food. Talk to you soon. God bless you. And what do we say and how do we say it?